Once upon a time, Dacia. When the brand was created in Romania in 1968, its goal was to provide modern, robust and affordable cars to all Romanian people. In 1999, under the impetus of Louis Schweitzer, Dacia becomes part of the Renault Group, and its ambitions were raised.
La plupart des gens imaginaient Renault achetant une marque de prestige. Et moi j'avais l'idée inverse, d'acheter une marque permettant de faire une voiture populaire.
The turn in the history of the brand takes shape in 2004 with the launch of the Logan, the affordable family sedan. A new car as cheap as a second-hand one. Revolutions come one after the other with Sandero in 2008, then Duster in 2010. Today, the saga continues with Spring, the city car that makes electric more accessible. Thanks to its unique offer, in tune with its time, Dacia made a name for itself in 44 countries with over 7 million vehicles sold and many bestsellers. The brand brings a unique fan base together, very active online, who enjoy meeting during the famous Dacia picnics. Today, Dacia is modernizing without denying the recipe that made it successful, offering the essential at the best value and price ratio on the market.
Dacia will stay Dacia, always offering the best value for money proposition in all segments we play in. But we want to bring the brand to higher grounds.
Its ambition? Conquer new territories with a widened and modernized range focused on customers' real needs and aspirations. To offer modern, robust cars with useful technologies at an affordable price. Based on these principles which represent the Dacia philosophy, several new models will be launched by 2025, like the one prefigured by the Bigster concept. For now, Dacia is preparing to write a new chapter in its history by renewing its image to express what is essential today, reconnecting with nature, and sharing simple pleasures with loved ones.